All the best. AD Logo Design in Illustrator. Welcome to HLGRAPHICS. Let's conquer the world of graphics. First we will choose the color. Here I have chosen black. Next we need to see which font we should use for the logo. I have used Moshka font here. I have already told you in my previous video that this font is completely free, commercial is also free, and for personal use this font is also completely free. And this font I have downloaded from DaFont. You can easily find many free fonts. Increase the size a bit so that the object can be seen easily. We have already downloaded the font and we are looking for it on Illustrator. Now we will first create font outlines, and after that we'll ungroup. In this way both letter A and letter B will be separated. After that letter A will be close to letter B and go to Pathfinder and click on Unite. In this way these two letters will be connected. When the process is complete, click on Align, so that your letters are in the middle of the page. Now our real work begins when we divide the letters A and B into two parts. Let's get started. Here we will use red color to see you clearly. Now we'll use the pen tool and make a stroke from A to B. Make the stroke in such a way that it passes through the middle of both letter A and letter B. The more beautiful the stroke up, the more beautiful the logo will be. And its thickness should also be kept in terms of letters. And it will be thin on the edges so it will look great. After creating, and if you don't like its shape, fix it with the help of Direct Selection tool. Apart from two letters, this logo can be made with more letters. You must try it and I am sure you will make it. There are many logos videos on my channel. Please go and watch them and let me know which of my videos you like best. When that's done, we'll increase the thickness of that stroke and take the width profile 1 to 75. Now expand this shape so that it becomes an object. Now below this object we have to take a copy. Well, we'll keep its color light gray here. To copy it we will go to Edit. In Edit we'll take a copy of it and offset it later and make it a little thicker. Here I am doing whatever color I am using so that you can see clearly. Later we will change it to other colors. We're going to move this copy down a bit and move the red color image up a bit. Balance it well until you get the logo just right. When all this is done, we will replace the red color with black color and then we will work forward. The reason for taking black color is that we will do the upper part in one color, so we are taking one color. When it's done, then I will show it to you in two colors. Now group them all together with the Selection tool and go to the Pathfinder and click on the divide, then right-click the mouse and ungroup so it will have many parts. Now we will select the black part through the Magic Wand tool and go to the Pathfinder and click on Unite. In this way, the black part will be gathered in one place. We will put it to the side and the rest these redundant lines are present here will delete them all. Take this. The logo is completely ready. Bring it to the center. Now we will uncrop it. And the upper part we will color red. But the black part below will be colored light gray after uniting it. This is because we'll be using a black background here, so the red and gray that's there will stand out on top of the black. How do you feel about the logo? If you do not understand anything, you must ask me. Now of course we will move on to Photoshop to present our logo in a much better way. Here I am using a silver logo mockup. Use it, it's a great mockup. It will make your logo look amazing to people. You see how I am doing all the work, you will also do the same and make your logo the best. Logo mockups are easily downloaded. Download them, save them, and keep them. I have also used another mockup. Check it out, it is also looking very beautiful. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.